Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I will be showing you an amazing recipe which can be eaten as a accompaniment with every meal or with snacks. That is green chili pickle. As we go ahead, I will be sharing with you tips to increase its shelf life. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let us start with our first step of making our green chili pickle. I have taken 500 grams of green chilies. You can take chilies of your choice, and I have washed them and dried them completely. Now I will be chopping them into bits. You can use the knife also if you desire, but I find this easier. Be careful of your fingers while chopping the chilies, as it's very pungent and tend to burn. At this time of the year, on the onset of winter, the market is flooded with a variety of green fresh chilies, so you can have your choice. To this we shall be adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 3 tablespoons of salt, now we shall add the juice of 6 limes. This will help to increase the shelf life of our green chili pickle. Now we shall keep these green chilies in the sun for a day, or you can even keep it under the fan so that the moisture inside dries up. Place a pan on the stove and light the gas. Now add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds or khada dhania, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds or sauf, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds or jeera, and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds or methi dana. Roast for a few minutes on medium flame till it starts to brown slightly. Then turn off the gas and let it cool down. Now transfer it into a mixie jar and grind it coarsely. Place the pan on the stove, light the gas and put in 100 grams of mustard dal. Roast on a slow flame for 2 minutes. Turn off the gas and transfer it into a bowl. I have heated 250 grams of mustard oil in a kadai to smoking point and turned off the gas and let it come to room temperature. Now add asafoetida or hing 1 teaspoon and mix well. Add the mustard dal seeds and mix well. Lastly, add the coarsely ground spices and mix nicely. Our masala or spices for the green chili pickle is ready. I shall be adding 3 tablespoons of vinegar to this masala to increase the shelf life. You can keep this pickle for nearly a year. Mix it nicely. Our mixture has cooled down completely. Now we can add it to our green chilies. Now we shall mix it nicely so that the masala coats all the pieces of chili thoroughly. Now we shall transfer our green chili pickle into a glass jar. Please make sure that you sterilize your glass jar by washing it with warm water, drying it, and keep it in the sun for some time. Or if there is no sun, you can use a hair dryer to dry the jar. You can also find the ingredients in the description box below. So friends, our green chili pickle is ready. Do make it for your family and friends and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.